Hey guys, my name is Alan Abernathy. I'm actually the owner and CEO of Repair My Own Credit. So you probably are watching this video so that you can find out how my credit repair service works. I also get questions of how long does it take, how much does it cost, how many points can you raise my score, and can you remove X, Y, Z, which would be student loans or bankruptcies, foreclosures. So to answer all those questions and give you the rundown, we can remove all of that. We can dispute and take a look at everything that you have in your credit report for free, give you a free quote just to show you where you're at and what you can do. And then also the most important thing with our service is you do not pay the creditors back. You don't pay them one single dollar. So don't do that. Wait, stop if you're about to pay some of those things off. You can get them removed without paying them a single dollar, even if you really did default credit and you owe them. So also, we are the fastest. There's no one else that moves as fast as we do. If there's a business day and things are moving forward, we are sending out letters and we're moving forward on your report and record. We do show you proof of everything that we send, and we have proof of our results. And we are one of the only credit repair companies that actually include trade lines in our credit repair packages instead of bumping the price or adding it in there. So that's a basic rundown of what we do. Now, there are three types of service that we offer. The one and most affordable, think about a scale of price, okay? From $50 all the way up to $1,000. That's the scale. I'm going to give you the scale in your hand and you move how much work you want to do. So the $50 package is a business in a box. Do you want to go out and start your own credit repair business, help family, help multiple people like you and your wife? You can pay just $50 and then you'll actually be able to have all the tools and the letters that I have. You can watch all my letters, go on YouTube, learn, and do your research and repair your own credit. There are some secrets that we have that you won't get in there. It's not because we don't give them to you. It's just stuff that we know and there's no way to actually explain it or to kind of teach those. But you get everything to be able to do almost what we do and remove pretty much everything. That's the most affordable way if you're a do-it-yourself. I'm one of those type of people. I wanted to learn. If not, no worries. Some people are just too busy, or some people don't want to learn, or they just would rather have it done the right way by us. It's definitely affordable. The other is going to be when you slide the scale. So the more you slide the scale up, the most effective would be a credit sweep. At the end of the spectrum, that's where it costs anywhere from $600 to $1,000. That's going to be a full removal of all negative inquiries, all inquiries, hard inquiries on all three bureaus, all negative accounts, all charge-offs, anything late, and we actually do include trade lines in that as well. Sliding the scale back to the middle, which would be somewhere in between the $600 and the $200 price range, would be us just repairing your credit with normal letters. It's going to take about 30 to maybe 120 days to fully start seeing the most results, and then we can do another round of stuff as well. But that's how it works. So anywhere from $50 to $1,000, depending on how much work you want to do, you just slide the scale there. But I will do a free phone call with each and every person, looking at their free credit report that doesn't give you an inquiry, and show you what's in there, what we can do, how we can help, give you an average of how many points we can raise it. And don't be scared. The worse the better. We always get into people's accounts and it's not as bad as they think. We have a lot of powerful tools here at RMO Credit, and we would love to help you out. So don't hesitate. Call, get your life back in order. We're here to help. We're the most affordable. We work fast, and it will get you back on your track to having great credit so you can get that car, that loan, or that house that you want.